Kinesi in Greek means movement. This notion of movement is deeply embedded in everything we are, since our beginnings in 1983 in Greece. Today in KLEEMANN, with a presence in over 100 countries worldwide, we speak your language. Constant movement and evolution have driven us amongst the most pioneering lift manufacturers in European and global markets. With production facilities in 2 continents, 2 locations, and with more than 1,700 employees, we are continuing our high-motion journey, creating quality mobility solutions for projects of any size or location. Born from a deep understanding of how people move and interact, our products range from residential and commercial lift systems to escalators, moving walks, and marine lifts. Everything we create prioritizes quality, safety, technological innovation, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. Moving fast in the era of digital transformation, KLEEMANN presents IoT technologies in a series of smart functions that transform every elevator journey. Introducing energy-saving technologies and sustainable practices, we are taking care of the environment and helping to protect the planet. It is our values, safety, passion for people, trust, and our breakthrough culture that create an exceptional customer experience and give us the strength and energy to move forward. Movement is in our DNA. We remain flexible, adjustable, agile, and fast, committed to delivering solutions that elevate the vertical mobility experience, serving every vision. And we are doing this always for you and with you, rising higher together. KLEEMANN.